we got here? Good morning, my lovelies. So, it's mail day. I love mail day. So, here, let's take this outside. Flip, there we go. Oh, here we go. So, oh, it's from RF Elements. Let's check this out. This looks cool. Okay, let's put the cell phone so we can, there we go. All right, you can see me? You can see me. Let me just adjust that a little bit. There we go. That's better. Now you can see me. Okay, cool. Let's open this cool package that RF Elements has sent me. And by the way, instead of using my signature machete, a close friend of mine actually got me this beautiful elk ridge knife. It's very, very nice. Nice wood handle, brass rivets. Like, that's a beautiful pocket knife. So
I got something for you.
Let's take a look here. What do we got? What have I got? How do I even open this? All right, what do we got here? Cool, so first things first. Got this wicked little hat from RFE. Thanks, guys. This is cool. Oh, it's a little tight on my skull. I got a big pumpkin head, you know? I'm assuming that I just tore my mama asunder when I was born in twain. I tore her in twain. My giant pumpkin head. There we go. Cool. I like that. Yeah. Here, look, like 80s rapper.
Okay.
Right? Or no, what do the kids do nowadays? Let me ruin my hat and make it perfectly flat, because that's what apparently kids think is cool. No. Here. Here's how you wear a ball cap. This is how my generation learned how. This is a pretty timeless look. This is the rural Canadian look. All right, so what else we got in here? Okay, so let's take a look here. So we got some shirts, clearly. Aha, I like this one. What do we got here? What does it say? Are you a horny wisp? Yeah, I am. God knows, RF Elements is one of my favorite brands for antennas. I'll tell you that much. Let's see what else we got here. Ah, here we go. My horn is bigger than your horn. Like that. We do have a couple of Volter horns on the network, so that qualifies, right? Huh? Okay, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, this one I like. I feel like this one was custom tailored to me. As you know, I am also an ally. Check this out. I identify as an ultra horn. How epic is that? Oh my god, that is so cool. I love this. This is my new favorite shirt, in fact, actually. Yes. I'm gonna put this one on right now. Woohoo! Oh, I got cat hair on it already. Cool. Now that I'm all RF Elements ed up. Anyway, thanks guys. Really appreciate this. You know I love RF Elements. I'm not just saying that because you guys sent me some cool stuff. Most of the people that I work with know that I try to stay fairly unbiased with my opinion on radio equipment, but so far RF Elements has had the best priced equipment, and not only that, but very well performing. In fact, I can't say other brand names in this video for obvious reasons, and not that they're telling me that, just the fact that it's like not proper, I guess. I don't know, asymmetrical brain. So yes, but I can honestly tell you that the performance that I see from RF Elements antennas is just phenomenal, especially for the price. And if with their horn technology, they've basically taken feed horns that you would normally use as a literal feed horn. It's used for reflection off of reflective type antennas, satellite dishes, and they've turned it around and made a feed horn that's actually a antenna, like an actual broadcast type sector. And the beautiful thing about them is they're very, very good at noise canceling. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So a lot of my guys use RF Elements. In fact, cool little side note is that for the longest time, Cambium, and I think they still do actually, used RF Elements sectors in the beginning. I'm pretty sure they still do though. Anyway, so thanks guys for this awesome swag. I love swag. Send me swag.
More swag.
This is fashion. Ever heard of it? Look it up.
Catch you later. Thanks, guys. Ciao.